Hey y'all, I'm Adriana Garcia and I'm in class 3307, Deviant Social Control. Today I will discuss the Anomie strain theory. Let's begin. Anomie strain theory links deviance to the gap between societal goals and the approved means to achieve them. When people can't reach success through legitimate ways, strain may push them towards crime. The philosophers like Emile Durkheim introduced the concept of anomie, a state of normlessness during social upheaval. Robert K. Morton developed strain theory using his anomie theory to American society and crime. Richard Cloward and Lloyd Oyland expanded Morton's idea with differential opportunity theories. And finally, Robert Agnew created the general strain theory, which incorporated emotional and psychological strain. American culture promotes wealth as the key to success, but overlooks the fair paths to achieve it, creating strain that pushes many towards deviant behavior. Morton explains this through the 5 tenets mentioned on this slide: conformity, innovation, ritualism, retreatism, and rebellion. Cohen's theory is like Morton's, but assumes that lower class people are more likely than others to engage into deviant activities. Cohen added the concept of status frustration and delinquent subculture. Status frustration is working class youth judged by the middle class standards. When standards aren't met, they feel frustrated and inferior, which cause this emotional strain. Delinquent subculture responds to the status frustration the youth form. Subcultures that reject mainstream values, rewards deviance instead of conformity. Doing acts such as vandalism, intimidation, or breaking rules is a way to gain status. Deferential illegitimate opportunity, developed by Cloward and Olin in the 1960s, argue that deviance depends on not just the motivation, but access to criminal opportunities. These 3 types of illegitimate opportunities: criminal, which is organized crime, youth learn to do theft, fraud, and extortion of material; conflict, disorganized areas, status earned through violence and aggression; and last, retreatist, blocked from both legal and illegal success, resort to drugs, and withdraw from society. Applications. Criminology links crime to social disadvantages. Sociology of deviance sees deviance as shaped by the structure. And policy development guides programs to reduce inequality and expand access. Here are some of the critiques. The bias critique assumes everyone wants wealth. The limited one overlooks white-collar crime and other motives. The overgeneralized critique predicts more crimes than seen. And there's weak evidence, so they say that strain theory link isn't always clear. These are my resources, and thank you guys for listening. Have a good day.